Hello and good day, everyone. My name is Chris, and I'm TAPA APAC's Intelligence System Expert. I'd like to showcase the features of this and how to use this to enhance security and resilience of members' supply chains. I'll show you the login page first. The main difference of this for members and non-members is that the features for filtering and extracting data is limited for non-members. The public version of this allows the user to view general information towards an incident or an FSR TSR site, but you have to go through each one because filtering based on country or region will also be unavailable. I'll show an example here. When we click on the Data Explorer tab, you'll be able to see only the date of incident, which is filterable, but for the remaining categories, we don't have this option. The same goes for FSR locations and TSR locations. Also, for the incidents, when we click on it, it will ask you to log it. So that's the limitations of the public version of this. Let's go ahead and log into our account. All right, so it will provide you with the main page similar to one we had on the public version, but this one has all of the features that you'll be using and is exclusive only to members. The TISP database is where we store all the cargo crime incidents since 2003, as well as the certifications of TAPA certified sites, which all will be accessible to our members. We'll go over each function of the platform by each tab. On the main page, you'll be able to see the main home page. Each navigation panel on the left side is reflected on the dashboard on the main page, these 5. And then I'll give a brief description of each tab. The Data Explorer, it is used to search or download the certified sites, data, and cargo crime incidents by date, location, region, or however you use the filter options. The Map and Routing is this AI-enhanced alternative route suggestion feature to steer you away from cargo crime hotspots and show past incidents on certain routes. The Cargo Crime Monitor, it is a visualization of the data which you can use directly for reports and analysis. This can also be downloaded offline for members' use. The Filter Data, this is used to set your preferences on specific dates, locations, modus operandi, incident categories, and certified sites information, and much more. And then lastly, the incident report. This is where we report those incidents by members or non-members. All right, so let's hover over to the first tab, which is the Data Explorer. The Data Explorer will allow the user to view full information related to an incident, as you can see here, which includes the date of the incident, the category of the incident, the type of modus operandi, the product details, the location in which where it happened, and the information of the goods that was stolen or lost. The Data Explorer option will also enable users to see the facilities and trucking operators, which have the TAPA's facility security requirements and the trucking security requirements, along with their information that shows the location, the company, the country, and the security level of each site. Also, if you click on this icon here in the top right corner of the page, this will show you filtering options if you want to hide some categories and personalize it according to your preference. Members are able to download and filter this data, while non-member users can only view it. Alright, so let's move on with the map and routing. I've already preloaded it here, so when we click on the map and routing, by default, it will show you a global map, and we need to click on the tabs at the top to show the incidents and the certified sites for it to populate on the map. These tabs can show you an overview of incidents, FSR and TSR sites all over a city, route, country, or region, which are all interactable. You'll be able to see a brief description on each incident or site when you click on them. And also, if you like to get some more details on them, you can click on the More Details. This is also available for the Data Explorer on the other tabs. This has built an AI-resilient route planning tool, which helps with suggesting alternative safer routes to keep employees, assets, and cargo safe. By gaining a deep understanding of the local areas and regions where cargo crime groups are most active. I'll show you how to use this to plan your cargo route resiliently. Let's set an example here. You want to transport from Gurugram to Aurangabad. And then you can click on search, and then that's all there is to it. Much like mapping guides that we're accustomed to, the system will suggest a route with detailed directions that avoids cargo crime hotspots and show a route with low cargo crime activity that we can use. This is the detailed one, as I mentioned before. And then this is the map overview. Also, you'll be able to see the location of TAPA certified FSR and TSR sites along the way if you click on the FSR and TSR location tabs while using the route planning tool, like here. If you want to know more about information related to an incident or the certified site, just like mentioned before, you can click on them to see some details. And that's how you use the map and routing feature of this. Then let's move on with Cargo Crime Monitor. This is where the intelligence comes. Here, you'll be able to see the statistical data and summary of the incidents around a country or region for generating reports and insights. Like all other features of this can be filtered and personalized based on the data you are requiring it to pull. Downloading of this report is also exclusive to members that are logged into their account. Then we can go ahead with the Filter Data tab. The Filter Data is used to set your filter preferences across map and routing and the Data Explorer, although each tab also has these filter options. And then lastly, the Report and Incident tab. If you have a cargo crime incident to report, please click on the Report and Incident tab, and it will bring you to a page with simple details to be asked to input. Please fill up as much information you have regarding an incident if you are able to. Once this report is done, it will be sent to the TIS team to verify and upload it to the TIS database for live viewing. Both members and non-members have the full function of this report feature. And also I'd like to mention that reporting an incident does not divulge any information from the reporter and the victim of the incident. This prioritizes anonymity and well-being of companies. This is why we only record the details associated with the crime incident, like the place it happened, the location for map and routing purposes, and the general information of the goods that was lost. For the rollout of the TIS accounts, each TAPA APAC membership is entitled to 1 TIS account, while enterprise membership will be entitled to 3 accounts. Please send an email to tis@tapaapac.org to have your company account set up and login sent to your PMR. Thank you for watching this quick overview of TIS, and we urge every member to report any cargo crime incident and utilize TIS to enhance supply chain security and resilience. And together, we can create a safer, more resilient environment for everyone.